Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Magimuse that I got on Amazon. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I've got this super ultra cute crochet kit from Amazon, and the company is I think it's called Magimuse or Magimuse, I don't know. But I saw this and I just had to show it to you guys. It's the Halloween edition, so we're gonna see some really cute things in this box today. So here is what's on the back of the box, everything included. We have a step-by-step video. I'm assuming that's YouTube, maybe, I don't know. Instructions, yarn, crochet hook, stuffing, stitch marker, and needle. Start it, make it, love it. This kit gives you more than just materials. It's the wee wobbly things we do to make sure you're good to go. Like detailed instructions and step-by-step videos, make your creative and beautiful works. By the end of it, you won't just have a cute little friend, you'll also have a new lifelong skill. If you have any difficulties, please feel free to contact us. We are with you. Happy crocheting. Okay, so the big question now is, how easy is this kit? Is it worth it? I will leave a link in the description box below. This is not a PR thing. I just got this. I mean, it's not a PR. It's not a sponsored thing. This is a product review, but I got this on my own. So let's see how easy it is, because I know some of the stuff is so cute, and I know some of you would love to make this, but are like super ultra beginners. So this is the Bats kit. I will be pushing out 3 more unboxings to show you guys, so this is going to be so much fun. Like I said in my live, I really wanted to do some Halloween decor. I mean, I don't really decorate so much anymore because we have a confined space, but it would be nice to have these little guys around for fun. So we have white yarn, and it's a pretty decent amount. I'm not a fan of this tight spooling because I like to grab the yarn from the inside so it doesn't roll around. We've got purple yarn, and I think this is a lot more than the white. You can tell by the size. And then we have gray yarn. We have a little roll of yellow and a little roll of orange. We have vacuum packed stuffing. I suggest cutting this open when you need it, because this sucker is gonna expand, and there's no way to close it back. So you can probably put this in a Ziploc or plastic baggie or something to keep the dust away from it. But this I experienced to be super ultra soft, so if they are the same, it should be soft, which is very nice, especially when you're handing it over to a little one. And then they give you 2 needles, which is great. They're both 3.0 millimeter. I'm not a fan of the rubber stoppers here. I mean, they usually, this is good for beginners, or anyone with carpal tunnel. No, I don't know, like arthritis issues, because it's a little bigger to hold on to than the crochet needle. But I don't like it because I tend to use a good amount of needle, even though you don't need to. I'm saying needle, it's a hook. I know it's a hook. But anyway, they give you 2 of them, so that's great. I don't know why you need 2, though. And then in this little packet, you want to be very careful. There's little pins in it. I'm not too sure what those are for yet. There's your huge needle to sew on the face and maybe the eyes. Well, no, not the eyes. Maybe the mouth and all that stuff. So be careful with that. I mean, it's kind of have a blunted edge, but it's still sharp. So this is definitely not for children. And of course, they do have the pop-in eyes. I'm not going to use those because those are a choking hazard as well. So I normally just sew my eyes on with black yarn. And then the markers, they give you a good amount. There's like 4 in here. I'm slowly collecting them from all the kits, so I have a nice amount. It's always good to have these markers because you can hold as many rows of markers that you have. So the more, the better. You can get the markers separately in a hobby store on Amazon. And then here we have the instructions. So let me just remove these and put them back in the box because I'm going to construct it on a separate video because I am pushing out 4 videos unboxing different boxes for Halloween, so you can pick and choose which box you would like to have yourself if you choose to have them. Like I always say, this is a great hobby to learn because not only does it help with your motor and mental skills, you end up getting a product out of it that, you know, maybe the first time won't look as nice for some, but once you perfect your skill, it's a really nice product that you'll get in the end that you can keep for yourself, or you can gift to others. You can remake these, you know, save the instructions. You can remake these every year for other friends and family or what have you. And then you can choose different colors. Heck, you can have a bat for Christmas. Why not? You know, red, white, and green. Hello. Anyway, welcome to the world of crocheted. Maybe the ED is not needed. Most of these instructions from Amazon I'm finding are translated. So just be aware of that. So the English translation might be a little nutso. And then I found in some of the instruction videos that it's the same deal when they do the subtitles or whatever. So just be aware of that. Abbreviations, which are pretty much universal. They have chart symbol. So there's definitely going to be amigurumi. I didn't really look much into this. Okay, yeah, this whole thing is amigurumi, which is starting with the magic circle. I'm gonna guess they're gonna show you how to do it. If not, I'll be showing it in my videos, so you can always send requests if you do have this kit and there's a specific bat. In this case, they're bats, right? So I don't know if there's, yeah, I'm guessing there's different instructions for different bats. Just leave a comment, send me an email, let me know which one you want me to do, and I'll do that for you to help you out. Yeah, so there's some QRC codes for the videos, and email if you have any questions. It shows you what you have. Oh, there supposedly is a threader. I don't know. A threader helps you thread the needle, but to be honest, that needle was huge, as you saw, so I don't think we need a threader if it's not in there. If it's not in there and you think you need it, you have to go to a hobby store or somewhere to get a threader. Or Amazon. But anyway, that's a great tool if you are using needles with very small eyelets. Okay. How to hold, it teaches you how to hold it, which is great. I hold it with pencil grip. It gives you a lighter stitch. It gives you less tension on your hands if you do have joint issues, or if you tend on making blankets. Trust me, you're going to want a loose grip, so pencil is always great. The overhand is more comfortable for a beginner. The only problem with that is, oh, I'm doing it like a knitting. Sorry, I'm lefty and righty, so I'm just showing you. Anyway. Overhand is great, except there's more tension in your arms, so when your hands, so if you're a beginner, your stitches might be too tight, which will make it hard for you to put the hook in through the stitches. Pencil grip you might be too loose, and then your stitches will be like too big. So in the beginning stages of your crocheting skills, don't get too worried if your stitches are too tight or too loose. You know, over time you'll be able to regulate, you know, which method you use, overhand or pencil grip, and you'll be able to do uniform stitches. But anyway, jumping the gun. How to hold yarn. I don't hold it this way. Apparently this way it keeps you feeding the yarn without having you, I twirl it around my finger a million times. So I probably won't. I'm so accustomed to doing it the old way that I think this would kind of confuse me. Plus, if you have, like, I just put lotion on my hands. Some of you might have lotions that don't feel like a residue or anything. I don't want anything like wrapping around and pulling and catching any residue. You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, but it shows you how to hold it if you do it that way. Putting it all together, let's see, how to yarn over, which is great, which is, doesn't even tell you, which would be YO in the symbols, yarn over. Parts of a crochet stitch, okay, this is good too. It tells you, you know, what things are, back loop, top loops, front loops, round stitch, posts. That's great. Crocheting through both loops, crocheting through front, crocheting through back, that's always great. Because I talk about this all the time when I start off my, not amigurumis, more of the regular straight rows that you see on some blankets and stuff like that. Let's see, and where does the hook go? Okay. Yeah, so it teaches you that too. So next, if you're right-handed, the next stitch to the left, the one you just completed. Okay, if you're right, okay, counting stitches in the rounds. Okay. Yeah, oh wow, they pretty much, this is pages of how to do stuff, so you might not even need the videos. This is really cool, because sometimes I don't feel like whipping out a video just to watch it. Like, I'm old school. I like seeing, you know, I don't even mind written instructions, but they have pictures. Pictures are always nice too. How to crochet a chain stitch, slip stitch. They even call that out on a lot of kits I've seen. They don't even say slip stitch, they just have those symbols and such. Let's see, single crochet. Oh, tips: if your hook gets stuck when you pull through a loop, try making looser loops. Check if you've caught some extra yarn in the fiber. Yep, yeah, this is really nice. How to single crochet increase, how to make 3 single crochet in 1 stitch, how to single crochet decrease, how to double crochet, how to double crochet increase. Ooh, double crochet increase, that's gonna be fun. How to treble crochet. If they're showing you all these, let's just assume that it's going to be in these projects, which I think is great, because I've been working with single crochet stitches and they're fun. It's just it takes forever. I purposefully will use treble clef if I'm trying to make a runner or something, because I don't want to sit there and take too long making all these rows, but that's just me. Anyway, how to chain 3 picot stitch. Ooh, what should I do if I find a knot in my yarn? Okay, that's cool. And then it shows you how to finish. Oh, I have to feed Dexter. Okay, how to sew amigurumi parts together. I know, buddy. Let me just finish this book. Okay, let's get started. Head and body. Oh no, maybe there's one back. Oh wow, this is long. Wing times 2, we do this 2 times. Ear, foot, sewing, hat, bow tie. Okay, so it's 3 of the same bat stuff, and then you have to make the hat and the bow tie. Okay, so I guess you can change the colors? Because I saw you can do 3 of them. Anyway, all right, I'll be right back real quick. Okay, I'm back. I had to feed the kittles, otherwise he gets hangry. Anyway, so yeah, I checked my Amazon, and you can make 3 of these bats. Obviously, we have 3 colors that there are a lot of: the purple, the white, and the gray. So you can make 3 bats, and you can interchange the colors to make the hats and the bow ties, but they all get the hat and the bow tie. So the idea that you have the 3 colors, it makes all sense that you can choose any color you like. I know for myself and some people for holidays, they'll do like an off color scheme. You might mostly see that for Christmas. Like you'll have like people do a pink Christmas, purple, you know, you might have your own Halloween color scheme. Heck, you might have like a pink Halloween. I don't know what you do, but you can essentially get any different color yarn at a hobby store or online, and you can make any color you want, and you have the instructions all here to do it as many times as you want. So that's always a great thing. That's always what I do with these kits. But anyway, we are doing 3 more unboxings after this. So if you may, either this video or the last video that I'll be posting this week of the unboxings, comment below. Let me know which ones you want me to start making. I am going to try to make at least 1 from each kit for the holiday season, and I'll try to get to all of them. These are similar, so I'll probably do 1 of these. And then with the other kits, you'll see what characters they are. So yeah, just let me know. At any rate, thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.